how to connect Apple AirPods Pro to Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, we need to reset your AirPods Pro because it may be already connected to another device. So at the back here, we're going to press and hold on the button. Hold for around 10 seconds or more until you see the light start flashing. So here, press and hold. Have the lid open and press and hold at the back. Okay, the green light has now gone off. So we turn back and press it again. Once you see the white light start flashing, like that, we go back to the phone and I'm going to tap on the scan button to rescan for an available device. Here on my phone it shows AirPods Pro, so we tap on that to pair, then tap on pair, and it is now connected. You can see it shows connected. So if we go into settings, we can manage calls and audio. You can select the audio type, headphones, speaker or other. And that's it. So once it is paired, you can also rename it if you like. And you can simply listen to music or listen to videos, audio with your AirPods. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.